Hello everyone, welcome to the start of a brand new course that I'm doing. And this course is called College Algebra, but really it's basic algebra, whatever you want to call it. So here, this is basically the main setup I think we're gonna go with. Still using Clicky because I like it. It's good. It's a nice little like drawing tool I can use, and it's not too bad. All right. Yeah. So if you're wondering about the SAT stuff, like guys, I've done all the practice tests, and as someone who's taken practice tests and actual SATs before, the practice tests even by SAT themselves, the 10 ones that they're given aren't even that good, because they're all old at this point. Maybe if you're taking the SAT in like 2020, 2021, maybe it might help you, but at this point, 2022, 2023, 2024, so on and so forth, it is a good practice, but it's not exactly like the things you're looking for. I feel like the math part has definitely changed a little bit. So I want us to focus more on the math side of it. So just to see where you guys are in the math part. I know there are other parts to the SAT, but we're only focusing on the math part. If there are other parts like reading or writing you want to discuss, sure, go ahead, we can do it. I know we only talk about math here, but if there's anything at all you want to talk about, I'm here for it. Just let me know. It could be anything at all. It could be random. Totally off topic. But yeah. So anyway, we're starting college algebra or basic algebra that you could say. Um, and this is something that I feel like once you learn this, then the pre-cal, the calculus, all the future math stuff you learn will be pretty good. Because as someone who wants to do something, I really like algebra, so I'm gonna make algebra related videos for you guys. The pre-cal and calculus stuff is something you can just learn on your own. Same for statistics. I've taken all those courses already. Um, so yeah, and then other courses you might take later are linear algebra, differential equations, even abstract math. Who knows? It really depends how much math you need for your major, but I think everyone needs a little bit of basic algebra in their life. And let me know what you guys think about math. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Are you alright at it? I'm someone who likes math. I was like a like a nice little like math challenge sort of problem, but it just depends on the day. Yeah, so we can get started. Uh, so let's take a look at our first problem, and we will begin. All right. So we're going to do some math here. All right. And you can get a calculator out if you want, though I don't think you'll really need it for this. So begin. All right. So here's the first problem. So, all right. There we go. Let me just make sure y'all can see everything properly. Okay, there we go. 3. So yeah, just want to make sure this will work. Okay. So you have 3x minus 5 equals 7x plus 11. Okay? And all we're going to do is solve for x. And you can do this in many ways. I'm going to teach you a shortcut, y'all. Do this part in your head. Imagine this 3x. I'm going to help you guys get better. If you want to excel truly, move this to the right side automatically. You could bring the 7x to the left, but who likes dealing with negative numbers? No one. And then just automatically bring the 11 to the right side. Do this in your head. It'll make the math a lot easier. So think of it as negative 5, and then it's going to be minus 11 equals, you can do this part later, but then just imagine the 7x here and then the minus 3x. I guess we're going to deal with negatives either way, but that's fine. I like my x's to be positive. And then bring this x over to this side and just kind of swap places and do this part in your head. 7x minus 3x is 4x equals, and then just imagine this is going to the right side. The numerical values aren't changing. We're just flipping it over, okay? We're not adding or subtracting anything. So this is what, negative 16, right? That's it. X equals negative 4. That's how I would have done it. There are like 50 other ways you could have done this problem. You could have gone the short way, the long way, any way you want. As long as you arrive at this answer, why don't we go ahead and check? So 3 times negative 4, so it's negative 12 minus 5, and that equals, so 7 times 4, that's negative 28 plus 11. So this is, we get what, negative 17 equals, and then for this you can just do 28 minus 11 and then carry the negative 17. Negative 17. Yep, so what we did is correct. So that means this is our answer. Yeah. This is, nope. There we go. X equals -4. Okay, so that's that. And what do I want to do? Erase. I want to erase this whole thing. What did I say? What I done last time? Like this? This is kind of satisfying though, honestly. Just erasing everything. I'm pretty sure there's a way where... What's this? Nope, that's the zoom. I gotta learn how to use this, y'all. I'm no master. Okay, that's certainly not it. Oh, that looks interesting. That's just weird. It's the size, the opacity, yeah. Boom, with that eraser. Okay, there we go. That certainly saves time. Yeah, we're back at this. So yeah, the answer for that was -4. Alright, next question. We're going to solve this equation. So we have 7 times 3x plus 6. Okay. Equals 11 minus x plus 2. Okay. So now, cross multiply, we get 21x plus 42 equals 11 minus x minus, let's see, 11 minus x minus 2. Because this negative goes to both. This goes here, and this also goes here. Okay. Now that we've done that, we can simplify this a little bit. You can simplify the right side if you want, but I'll leave it as this and then do both in the next step. The next step is I'm going to bring this x to the right side. So I'm going to have 22x here, and then yes, we will get a negative on the right side, but that's perfectly fine with me. So 11, and then this is what, minus 2. So this will be 9 minus 42. Okay. So we got 22x equals, and then let's see, 42, that's negative 32, 33. Right? 33 plus 9, yep, 42. Okay. And then we're going to divide by 22 on both sides. Divide by 22. Oops. Divide by 22. So x equals negative, and then let's divide both sides by 11. Simplify that out. 33 over 11 is 3. 22 over 11 is 2. X is negative 3 halves. And plug that back into this equation. So let's see. We're going to get negative 9 halves. I'll do it right over here. Negative 9 halves. Plus, I'll write it as 12 over 2. So I can make the addition part easier. Equals 11 minus. So it's 11 minus, so this will become a plus 3 over 2. And then that's a 2 over 2, so I'll write that as 4 over 2. So 12 minus 9, it's 3 only. So we get 3 halves here. Equals, so 11, let's see. Oh, okay, that's what I did wrong. Sorry, this should be a negative. Yeah, that makes more sense. So we have 11 plus 3 over 2. So that's actually, let's do the 11 minus 2 part first. 11 minus 2 is 9, and then it's 9 minus 3 over 2. I don't know, 9 plus 3 over 2. Oh, wait. Yo. Let's see what I'm missing here. It should be 7 times that. My bad. it takes, okay, too big now. Let's erase this. I totally forgot about this. So this is what happens, y'all. It's 7 times, I'll do this part first. -9/2 plus 12/2. Okay, and I'll just evaluate this part first. So 12 minus 9 is 3, so it's 7 times 3 over 2. That's 21 equals, and then I'll do 11 minus 2 part first. 9 minus, which will become a plus because it's negative 3 over 2. So, wait, hold up. 12 over 2, 9 over 2. 0 over 2. Okay. And this is 18, 19, 20, 21. Yep, this works. This is our answer. -3/2. Alright, now let's make this thing huge. Yes, good. Alright. Alright, next question. We're looking at, tired of this color, y'all. I want a different color now. Green, okay. 4 over 6x minus 4x plus 8/3 equals 4/3. Alright, go ahead and solve this one on your own. Pause the video. Just do whatever, I guess. But yeah, go and solve this problem. Alright, so I'm assuming that you attempted this problem by now. If you pause the video or whatever, honestly, I really don't care. But yeah, this is going to be the last problem for this video, and then I'll make a separate video going over the other problems. Alright, here we go. So this is going to be, let's see, we can go for the common denominator strategy. I think I like that a lot. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is 4 over 6. Keep that the same. 4 over 6x minus, and this is over 6. If we're going to divide this by 6, we need to multiply the top by 6. So that's 24x. 24x equals, and then this I'm going to keep here. I'm going to move the 8/3 to this side. So it'll become -8/3, so the right side is going to become -4/3. So now we can subtract easily. So 24 minus 4, let's see. So that'll actually end up becoming -20 over 6x equals 4/3. I'm going to simplify the left-hand side a little bit and divide top and bottom by 2. -10 over 3x equals 4 over 3. Okay, so that means that -10x equals 4, because the denominator are the same. That means the numerators have to be the same. So x is -4 over 10, which you could simplify to -2/5. Alright, there we go. -2/5. That is, I believe, let me check. 4 over 6x, 6, 12, 18, 24, and then that equals -4/3, 20, 23, 21, 20 equals, no, I can't believe this, sorry, there should have been a negative here. The negatives would have canceled out, so this would have been a positive, so this should be +2/5. This should be a negative. Okay, there we go. Yeah, sorry about that. Anyway, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.